Hi there, students. To fulminate. Okay, a verb. Fulmination, the noun. Let's see, I think nowadays the most common use of this is to criticize very strongly, to denounce something, but with a lot of strength, yeah? Verbally, but with very strong words, to speak against. So, yeah, to anathematize, if you like. He was fulminating against the government's policy. He was fulminating against the injustices of life. Yeah, he fulminated against the way that he was treated. Yeah, he fulminated about being sacked from his job. So to issue or to give a verbal attack or a denunciation of something, but really loud and thunderous. To fulminate can actually also mean to explode, to be hit by lightning. He was fulminated by lightning. So to fulminate, to cause to explode. I guess you could say he was fulminated by the accusations that were made against him. Yeah? So to explode completely. He was fulminated by my fulminating verbal attack, by my fulminating speech. Okay, so he's always fulminating against the curriculum that they make us study. So to criticize, to rage against, to denounce, to shout about, yeah? Okay, so to fulminate against something that you really don't like. Yes, so to also, okay, fulminate can also actually be a salt or an ester of a certain acid. You could have fulminate of mercury, which is an explosive, yeah? But that's very technical as well. Okay, so to fulminate, to rail against, to criticize strongly, to shout about. There was a speaker on at Speaker's Corner fulminating about the way that the vaccines for this COVID had been distributed. Someone else was fulminating against the policy towards refugees. Yeah, so to deliver a denunciation, but thunderously, loudly. Yeah, okay, so to fulminate, to criticize, to explode or to detonate. Yeah, the explosion fulminated the building. Okay, so let's see, to fulminate, a regular verb. It fulminated the building. He has fulminated against all the injustices of society. Then let's see, as to origin, from Latin again, fulmino, to lighten, yeah, or from fulmen, lightning, the lightning which strikes from a thunderbolt. Yeah, I think the Romans were always talking about being fulminated by a thunderbolt from the gods. Yeah, so effectively to be hit by a thunderbolt or to throw a thunderbolt at. Yeah, nowadays these thunderbolts are verbal, but well, yeah, you could fulminate something as well, as in make it explode. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Fulminate.